These are the major components of our managed services offering. Our most common projects involve paper or microfilm scanning and data entry, though we offer much more, including redaction, micrographics work, long-term storage, and restoration. The photo here really sums up AMCAD's goal with conversion projects, to make the delivered electronic images be as true of a representation of our customers' original source media as possible. In addition to performing these services out of Rock Island, we also have the ability to set up conversion projects on-site at any customer location if records cannot leave their immediate building, city, or state. We have completed many large successful on-site projects in Arizona, Texas, and Pennsylvania, to name a few. AMCAD has the ability to scan any form of paper source media, including small and large loose pages and bound volumes that cannot be cut. All records are prepared before capture to include removal of fasteners, repairing any damage, and removal from bindings. Our high-speed paper scanners take up to 12 by 18-inch pages and scan both sides of each page at once. Our flat sheet scanners can accommodate large drawings, newspapers, blueprints, and magazines up to 42 inches wide. Bound volumes with pages up to 15 by 24 inches can be captured on our book scanners. We offer black and white, grayscale, and color outputs at up to 600 dots per inch, though our normal resolution is usually 200 or 300. For microfilm capture, AMCAD uses scanners that can capture images from both 16 and 35 millimeter rolls, microfiche scanners for both jacketed and COM formats, and also aperture card equipment. Our workflow software automatically conducts an image enhancement step on each image, including deskewing, despeckling, and intelligent trim that will rid the electronic image of its excess border without cutting off any information. If a customer requires that images be manually clipped, either to remove prominent borders or to split images, we route the images to clipping working stations. The manual clipping process allows for each image to have its borders manually defined and multiple images separated, as you can see. Image quality assurance takes place after the images have been scanned and enhanced. A specialist views each image to ensure that there are no streaks, spots, cutoff, overlapped, or blurry images resulting from poor quality scanning or source media. AMCAD offers manual in-house and offshore data entry services of almost any information a customer would want to extract from their records. We can run book and page tagging automatically or sequential document number naming. Common manual indexing fields include party names, instrument numbers, dates, case numbers, legal descriptions, and document types. Our current projects are a mix of historical backfile keying and also daily current records indexing that we retrieve from customer FTP sites on an ongoing basis. We also offer double-blind keying and verification services, in which two separate specialists will key required information from the same files, and then those keystrokes will be verified in an automated process to ensure that both specialists keyed the same information. AMCAD provides standard output formats of TIFF, PDF, and JPEG, among others. Files can be single-page, multi-page, and text searchable. Delivery methods are flexible as well. We offer secure destruction services of paper and microfilm after final project approval if a customer does not want the records returned or stored. AMCAD offers 4 popular options for redaction. The first and most accurate is double manual redaction, which consists of a manual redaction pass of 100% of the images, followed by a manual quality assurance pass of 100% of the images again. Using it, we achieve at least a 99.95% accuracy rate. A step down from that is OCR auto redaction with 100% manual QA. Instead of a human manual first pass, AMRedact identifies data to be redacted, followed by a manual QA pass of all of the images. The accuracy of this method is highly dependent on the quality of the images, and we found that 98% accuracy is about average. If customers expect not to have items for redaction in their records or want a cheaper alternative, our auto redaction with manual QA on 100% of flagged images option is available. This model entails passing each image through the OCR engine, followed by a manual QA pass of only those images identified as poor or bad by the system. The accuracy with this method is only about 70 to 98%, depending on image quality. The final and cheapest option is just a straight auto redaction, in which the images go through the OCR process only. Accuracy is in the 70% range depending on image quality, redaction requirements, and OCR tuning. AMCAD offers a host of micrographics services out of our Kodak certified lab, including film processing and duplication, and microfiche and aperture card creation. We can receive existing 16 and 35 millimeter rolls and duplicate to either silver or diazo. We can film from paper directly to 16 millimeter microfilm and also process microfilm from a customer's digital images, which will last in excess of 500 years in the proper storage environment. Occasionally, we receive requests to create jacketed or COM microfiche and aperture cards, which we can also do in-house. Our equipment has the ability to create multi-level blips, comic and cinematic orientation, simplex and duplex filming, and brown toning. AMCAD provides access for all source materials during every project. In the event a document, roll, or box is requested while in our possession, we will locate the media in the vault or production area and send. We can deliver original records within 24 hours, whereas copies can be emailed or faxed, usually within 1 hour. AMCAD also provides restoration and preservation services. Usually we receive requests for this type of work from customers with very old 18th or 19th century volumes that have been used frequently over the years or have been stored in less than ideal conditions. In addition to the restoration services shown here, our specialists can also scan the information from these volumes during the disbinding process so that there is an electronic working copy and then the original volumes won't have to be handled anymore. Quality is built into every AMCAD process, procedure, and work instruction based on standards set forth by the International Organization for Standardization, or ISO. AMCAD completes a full QA step after each phase of every project, and we have a scanning specialist at each machine checking images as they are digitized to ensure errors are caught early in the process. For more information on AMCAD's facility, potential storage projects, or any of our other managed services, please send an email to sales@amcad.com or call us toll-free at 866-793-6505.